exhausted. Every bit of me is tired. Look at my hands. And you've been singing non-stop for weeks. How are you?
I don't want to be Nova anymore. My whole me hurts.
Are you losing your voice?
SYCH. Shut your cake hole. I'm galactic megastar Nova Jones.
I thought you didn't want to be you anymore.
That was ages ago. Why are you bringing it up now? I'm me. I can't lose my voice.
I always know exactly where it is. And besides,
Oh, wow. I think this is the longest I've gone without hearing your voice. I can hear the air conditioning and the ship's engines and my own voice.
What are we gonna do?
Oh, wait. We've got a performance in 2 days. The Planet of Invisible Apes. They get really upset if you cancel, I assume. No, you're right. This is a crisis. Nova Jones has lost her voice. Nova's on the move.
co-writing.
Hang on, I'll find my keys.
What are you gonna sing? Offs, Blob.
Nova Jones, I'm lighting up the galaxy. Nova Jones, biggest star you've ever seen. Nova Jones, on tour with all my family. Nova Jones.
Right, that is enough. Everyone needs to stop obsessing over their gadgets. We need to turn them off, limit how much we use them. As of tonight, I'm instituting the blueprint of restriction impacting non-essential gadgets.
That's boring.
Captain, give it a chance.
No, the initials. Blueprint of restriction.
Impacting non-essential gadgets.
B-O-R-I-N-G.
B-O-R-I-N-G.
The electricity savings alone will be worth it. I'll be giving up my tablet, which is fine since I hardly use it anyway. The whole system will be shut off for the evening. Every gadget disconnected and deactivated.
Digit's not happy about being turned off. To be honest, I'm not too happy about having to do my push-ups one-handed either. What? I exercise.
Digit, you'll be fine. You're not equipment. You're personnel. Part of a person-L. But we will turn off your phone. No texting during boring hours. I really shouldn't have called it that.
Too close to prestiging for this, McLaren.
I can do the one-handed. I just like to make him feel involved.
Please, please, everyone. This will be good for us. We'll relax easier. We'll bond as a team. And it'll help us get back to full health. This is going to be wonderful.
McLaren, will boring time be over soon?
It started 9 minutes ago, Sid.
My thumbs haven't stopped.
Oh, calm down. The switch off is going to feel totally normal any minute now. I see Nova found... Oh, the drums.
Really wants attention. Not coping without her phone. How silly. Let me play my game, just for a second, please. I'll just jump on, shoot, jump out. You won't even know. Come on, please.
We can hear you, Nova, I promise.
We might be lost. You know the white space at the edge of the map? We're there. Just a blank nothing on a line that says copyright of the Hasty Map Making Corporation.
Right. Duly noted.
Please.
Well, this first gadget-free evening couldn't get any...
Can we be together forever? Where are you now? Can we
we be together forever? I'm searching the crowd.
We could be lost, that's all. We won't know until morning. I think we passed the Sparkle Nebula, but it could be someone spilt cola. I haven't no idea. What's he learning?
Maybe this was a bad idea. Without it, we just got into more mess with our gadgets.
Moderation, that's the ticket.
And I'm so tired. I'll shut it off. Captain. That's funny. Without my tablet working, we can't deactivate the...
Boring.
On the upside, your arm's got a rest.
And that's as good as it gets. Where's Sid? It's a giant real-world version of 3 Weeks.
Wow. Bagsy the eye patch man with the parapal. You can tell they've seen action.
Our games have the rhythm we're looking for. Our games, our imaginations roar. Look up and see that we have it all. Our friends are here for the rise and fall. You know we got to remember, we are one big team. As long as we stick together, we can find our dreams. You know we got to remember, we are on our way. As long as we stick together, we are winners today.
Nova, your voice is getting better.
It is. Your voice is back.
So be strong.
See that you have it all.
Look around.
Together we are powerful.
You shine
We can all be stars.
across the galaxy.
Let them know just who we are.
Some days we might feel like it's difficult. Some days we might wake up and feel the love. Look up and see that we have it all. Our friends are here for the rise and fall.
Looking rested, McLaren.
I slept so well. My arms feel much better. And I turned off the blueprint... The boring system. Turns out some rules can be bad. Extraordinary.
Then Nova threw a 4, which was almost enough to jump her Danger Queen right into Digit's Feathered Raider. But with the elimination card on the field, Space Pirate only needed to roll a 4, which you all know what that means.
And some rules can be too complicated. Extraordinary.
Ah, we're back on the map. Lost no longer. Where are we headed?
My wonderful Novalites. Sleepy me. We played a game last night. So exhausting, but so much fun. Right, now, my concert on the planet of invisible apes is... sad emoji. Postponed. I know, I've been using that little crying face all day. But people, I lost my voice. It's back now, but listen up. It's like I tell McLaren, moderation. You've got to take breaks. You know, ditch the device a little, see your friends, even family, if she's not too annoying. But you can hear all about that by tapping the screen and listening to my brand new single, Be Strong, like this.